Set you go to. Absolutely. Also, whenever you want coffee.
Hi everybody, here's today's forecast for the Universal Backlot. It's going to be sunny and dry in 6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. Expect snow and sleet on New York City, and we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation.
It's fine. Maybe not. I just heard a low rumbling sound. That would indicate a flash flood that headed straight for the ground. Well, take cover, folks. Here it comes. Left-hand side. Flash flood. Look out. Flood is a special effect. The recycled water makes its way down the hill and it makes its way up again. The rain created a sprinkler. The chute will step down naturally, just like Mother Nature.
Western years back then. We still use this area. Over the years, just about every famous movie cowboy spent some time in Universal's Old West. Just past there, the gyrosphere from Jurassic World, Willis Coupe from Paper Furious, and finally military vehicles from the first Transformers. Well, we've covered a lot of ground. Now I think we'll just take a little jog to the left, go visit a little island just off the coast. They're very upset that they were not included in Jurassic World. One of the highest grossing films in history. Don't worry, that was just water. I didn't mention that you might get a little wet. Well, now we're going to take you down into Old Mexico. You'll recognize the next area from the movie Three Amigos, which starred Chevy Chase, Steve Martin, Martin Short. The whole movie began
as a site set. It is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around conveying an experience. You sit down and talk about Florida. That's not what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood. Because